Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to use gift card on eBay. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into our account using our credentials. And if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account button, wherein you can choose the type of account you want to create. It could be personal, it could be business, but you need to provide your full legal name, email, and password, and by clicking the create an account button, you're all set. But to simplify the process, you might want to click on continue with Google, or you can continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Apple. After that, now there are multiple ways for you to use an eBay gift card as a form of payment. Right now, from here, say for example, you specifically like a certain item. Now here I'm thinking about the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 5. All you're gonna do is click on that. Now here you need to enter your shipping and payment details at the very end and scroll to the bottom of the checkout page, right? And enter the gift card redemption code in the add coupons field, right? Remember, if you have the eBay redemption code, you would be able to do that, right? Now, once you have checked your details and select confirm and pay, you might want to check your gift card balance as well before you go to checkout. And all you're going to do is go to your eBay gift card balance right here. Now, again, if you have the redemption code, just put the code here. And it's a unique 13-digit gift card redemption code. And always remember that if you don't have enough money on your gift card to cover the total cost of an item outright, you can pay the remaining cost using another payment method such as your credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. Basically, the gift card is just there to help you out with the total cost. And again, if you need more information on how eBay gift cards work, you might want to head over to the gift card section, wherein you can skip the guesswork with eBay gift cards. You can find a variety for any occasion. And from here, it's as simple as you find your item. Your eBay gift card can only be redeemed at ebay.com. You need again to enter the code at checkout, enter the redemption code in the gift cards, coupons, and eBay box section, which is 13 unique characters, confirm and pay. And that's it. You can even buy eBay gift cards in bulk. You can celebrate success, reward customers, and more. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.